Hi everyone, welcome to another grand unboxing. Um, I have three things to unbox. First one is the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Just arrived today. Second one is the Samsung wireless charger trio. That means you can charge three things on this wireless charger. And the third one is the Samsung Z um, Galaxy Z Fold 3G Z Fold 3 case with a pen. Okay, we're going to start with a which one should we start with? Let's start with the Galaxy. No, let's start with the wireless charger trio. Okay. Okay, gonna get the scissors, and it says wireless charger trio, charge together 3-in-1, 9-watt fast wireless charging. Okay, so you can charge your phone, you can charge your your earbuds, and you can charge your watch on this same one, or you can charge 3 phones on this same charger. Without much ado, let's open the box. Okay, see this out. There we go. There it is. It's got some rubbery stand at the back there to make it stable so that it's not going to be wobbly on the table. Then, they have included a brick. I wonder how many watts it is. This is 9 watts, I guess. Yeah, that's a 9-watt brick, and it comes with the cable, which is a Type C cable, Type C to Type C. So, in other words, this goes into the charger itself, and this goes into the brick, and the brick goes into the plug. Okay, there we go. Then we have the charger here. It's got 3 indicators there, depending on how many things you are charging. Okay, let's leave that apart. Next thing is the phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Let's open the box. This one, the seal is broken. Okay, there we go. You can see that the case is getting smaller and smaller every time. This is because there is no charging brick in this packet anymore. You have to buy a brick separately if you want one. There we go. There it is. The Fold 3. It's got some plastic foam. Oh, I like that sound. There it goes. It smells new. That's because it's new. All right. And in the box, we have the SIM tool and some paperwork, and the cable, a Type C cable. That's all you have in the box. For what they're selling for almost $3,000, that's what you get. No more, no less. Okay, put that apart. And then let's leave the phone apart. We go to the third thing, which is the flip cover, which has the S Pen. Remember, the Fold 3 has got the S Pen functionality, but it does not come with a pen. You have to buy the pen separately. It's going to cost you another $100 or something. And the pen cannot stand on its own. So in other words, you need to get a case which can hold the pen. More spending. All right. So let's open this up and see what it's all about. Don't need the scissors for this. That's it. That's it. That's the cheap paper you get. That is the it's very flimsy. That's the Samsung cover for the 3, and that's the SIM removing tool, or whatever tool that is. That's all you get in the paper, and then you have the S Pen. Now, remember that you cannot use the S Pen that comes with the notes, cannot be used with this phone because they are not compatible. This one has got a retractable end so that it doesn't damage the screen. Okay, where is that? So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Note 2 and that is the Note 3. 2 and 3. Okay. Wow. And the only difference you will first notice is the camera setup at the back. You can see that's got a triple lumen tiny camera and it's a bit bigger on the Note 2. And in terms of weight, slightly lighter this time, and otherwise you cannot tell them apart. The back of the Note of the Fold 3 has got a gloss finish, so it doesn't retain your fingerprint when you touch it, unlike this one that every time you touch it your fingerprint stays on it. Okay, let's turn this thing on and see what it's all about. Now, for those people contemplating whether to get this or to upgrade to the 3 from the 2, there are just very few differences. If you have the 2, I would strongly recommend you keep the 2. The major difference is the S Pen functionality. That's one. The second difference is the fact that the refresh rate on the front screen has gone to 120 megahertz. That is the difference. Whereas on the Fold 2 is 60 on the front screen. But now they have increased it to 120 hertz refresh rate. Okay. Now let's turn it on. It says welcome, start. Now, we're not going to start this time. What we're going to do is put it in this case. Let's see if the pen works. Not yet. Okay, so we're going to put this one in the case. Snaps shut. Okay. And the pen goes in this groove. There's a groove here where the pen stays. Okay, the pen goes in there so you don't lose it. That's all it is. That's $3,000 worth of phone. Okay, now let's put it on the charger and see how it works. So the charger is connected, and if we put the phone here, the light is on. There's an orange light on, Don't know if you can see that. So if I put the second phone on, you should have two lights. The two lights are on now. Now let's look at the watch. So I put the watch on the watch thing. The three lights are on. So the three things are charging simultaneously at the same time. That's very, very ingenious. So guys, this is just the unboxing of this, and in a later review we will talk in depth about the functions after use. Oh, another major difference in this case is this comes with an IP rating of X68, X8 or 68. That means it's waterproof, up to about 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and do the water test. Actually, we can do that now. So we're going to drop it inside the water and see if it passes. If it fails, I'll just send it back to them like that. Okay, let's get it out of the case. Okay, and we get a bowl of water, and we shall be right back. Okay. Okay, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I've got a bowl of water here, and I've got the new phone here. So I'm going to turn it on and drop it inside the water, and we'll see what happens after that. There it goes. Fully submerged in water. It's still alive. And it's still working actually. Okay. That's the water test. As you can see, still working fine. It's dripping water. I'm using it to stir the water. Okay. That works fine. So, that concludes the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. And until next time, peace out and stay safe.